Hello everyone. Here is a beautiful and engaging morning assembly script that you can use for your school gathering. Opening. Good morning everyone. I Avisha from class 11th will be the host for today's assembly. I hope you all woke up with a smile and a heart full of positivity. Today is a new beginning, a fresh canvas waiting for us to paint our dreams upon. Remember, every sunrise brings a new opportunity. Let's start our day with gratitude and determination. So, I am inviting Bulbul for today's motivational thought. Good morning, everyone. I am Bulbul and I am here for today's thought. As the saying goes, the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. I repeat my thought, the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Thank you and have a nice day. Thank you, Bulbul. Expanding our vocabulary is like adding colors to the language palette. So, here is Satvik for today's new word. Word of the day. Good morning, everyone. I am Satvik, and today's word is perseverance. It means never giving up even when faced with challenges. Sharing a positive news update. In the spirit of positivity, let's celebrate the good news around. Yashvi from class 6th will share an uplifting story or achievement. Interactive segment. So now my friends, are you ready to give answer of a question? Let's see who is more clever. And the question goes like this. A man who was outside in the rain without an umbrella or hat didn't get a single hair on his head wet. Why? Raise your hands if you know the answer. So, the right answer is he was bald. That's interesting, right? So let's play a quick game of funny riddles with Janvi. Please welcome her with a huge round of applause. Appreciating our teachers. We celebrate different days as Teachers' Day or whatnot, but we should never forget that our teachers are architects of our mind. So let's thank them and give them a round of applause. Thank you for shaping our futures. Inspirational story. Once upon a time, there was a tiny seed. It didn't know it would become a majestic tree, but it trusted the process. Similarly, our efforts today will shape our future. So believe in your potential, work hard, and stay focused. I'm sure you will succeed one day. Acknowledging achievements. Last week, our respective class students faced their exams with courage. Let's applaud their hard work and perseverance. Remember, success is not just about grades, it's about growth. National Anthem. Now let's stand tall and proud as we sing our national anthem. Our unity makes us stronger. Everyone is requested to be in attention position. Closing. As we step out into the day, remember that each moment is a chance to create something beautiful. Be kind, be curious, and be the best version of yourself. Have a fantastic day ahead. With the ending of today's morning assembly, this video has also come to its end. So at last, I would just thank you all for watching this video till last, and do let us know in comment section if you want a similar video in Hindi on school assembly script.